Welcome back. In case you are just joining us, karibu sana to the program. My name is Wambui. We are glad that you are with us. In case you want to let us know where you're watching us from, which we do appreciate, do use the hashtag Good Morning Kenya on Twitter. At KBC Channel 1 is our official station handle, and do tag us as well individually at Dorina Range, at Raymond Nyara, and at Jane Wambui is how you can find my colleagues and I on the socials as well. So Michael Tondria, thank you so much for tuning in and for following the conversation. Dan Chebi anasema tuned in every single morning. Thank you for that. Moses Mutuchi, has anybody denied them to revive the economy? This is in regards to in the headline segment that we just concluded. Shivo Zoka tuned in, Shapiro, and Apora Asiapora. Thank you so much for being with us through and through. Yeko Emmanuel, Ibram Tetezi, Albert Mwaniki, and of course William Wambui. Thank you so much for staying with us. Keep the conversation alive. Travins, good morning Kenya. Love the program. This time hakuna presents for grabs. We got y'all. Peter Maina, love you guys. Always tune in after early morning duties to watch you as you entertain us. Peter Maina, Akiopale Lovington, thank you so much for staying with us. Do continue checking in, letting us know how you are enjoying the show. So right now we want to get into our first conversation for today, and this is all about insurance. Do you own a motor vehicle? Do you own a car? Are you insured? Do you know the entire process of claiming your insurance in the event that, you haven't been involved in an accident, minor or big? How do you go about that situation? We have seen so many cases in the recent times. Fraud has also, come out to be such a problem in the insurance claim process. But how do you protect yourself? How do you legitimately go through this process? And what do you need to know when it comes to insurance involving your car? That is the conversation we want to have today. And to help us with this conversation, we have in studio one gent. He is Joseph Muongi. I said that right?
Yeah.
There we go. Joseph Muongi, who is the founder and CEO of Online Advisors Insurance Agency. Karibu sana, Joseph.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for making time to be with us this morning. Maybe we could start with social media handles for the benefit of our viewers.
Social media, we are mainly in Facebook as Online Advisors Insurance Agency Limited.
All right.
Yeah.
So again, if you want to shoot your question directly to them on the socials, feel free to do so. So before we get deeper into this conversation about insurance claims, tell us a bit about, the Online Advisors Insurance Agency. Why Online Advisors Insurance Agency to start with?
So basically, Online Advisors, we started it in 2015. Then insurance was mainly the traditional type of insurance. It was the physical, so you had to meet people in person. So we thought, why not take it online and be able to reach a vast amount of people in a shorter period of time.
And what's been the impact that you guys have seen over the number of years you took this particular route?
Yeah, for us, we can say it's good. So far, the feedback is good. Because, for example, during our earlier stages, we were able to serve people who are far. Areas which, under normal circumstances, would have never reached them. Yeah.
Uptake has definitely gone higher.
Yeah,
all right.
It's been higher.
And from the comparison from the traditional to this online platform, of course, keeping up with the technology as it comes, efficiency, in terms of being more efficient, has that also, have you noticed a change in that regard?
Yeah, it has quite improved. Because from the time we began, it was quite a challenge. Because mainly, as I said, the traditional type, it had a lot of paperwork. For instance, the certificates were the physical certificates. So if you had a client in Mombasa and your insurance company didn't have a branch there, you had to send the certificate all the way to Mombasa.
That.
Yeah. But currently at the moment, it's all digital. So someone gets it via email, they print, and they have the insurance with them.
All right.
Yeah.
Now, let's just get to this insurance claim bit. And from what you have seen interacting with the different clients and people you have been interacting with over the past few years, what is the knowledge base of the population about insurance claims and insurance just as a whole for those who
as a whole?
Yeah.
From experience, I can say it's little. And most of the people who have experience or knowledge about the claims are the people who have learned through the claim process. Yeah, first you get a claim and then you understand what it's all about. Yeah.
And what, aside from the fact that, you know, most of them have had to learn the hard way, what other reasons do you think have contributed to this poor knowledge base when it comes to insurance claims from the population? Is it just a situation of, so I'll deal with it when I get there, or just people are not as concerned about, you know, planning ahead?
I can say the problem is two-way. So on the part of the industry players and also on the client side, because when you purchase your insurance, no one explains to you in detail, this is what we expect from you in the event of a claim.
Yes.
And also you on your side, as the person who purchased the insurance, you don't bother to find out what will happen. But under normal circumstances, what's supposed to happen? As you purchase this insurance, you're supposed to be given the terms and the procedures. So in the event of a claim, you clearly understand the next steps and what you should do immediately.
Okay. Yeah. So maybe I would like for you to just take us through the whole process from the pre-claiming phase to now the accident and post-claim phase. What happens or what is expected to happen at each stage?
At each stage.
Yeah.
So the first stage, of course, is even before you purchase your insurance. So you're supposed to clearly understand what you're buying. So first you understand maybe there are the three types of insurance. So there's the third party, there's a third party fire and theft, and the final category is the comprehensive insurance. Okay. So,
and what's the difference between these three for the benefit of our viewers?
The benefit of the viewers. So when you have the third party only insurance, that means it only caters for third party liabilities, whereby the third party is someone who is not you, nor the insurance company. So in the event your vehicle maybe hit someone on the road, that's a third party. You see? Yes. Because now it's your vehicle, which is insured by the insurance company. You've hit another person. So that third-party insurance only caters for such situations. Okay. It doesn't compensate you for your loss as the vehicle owner, but it will compensate the person who you've hit. In the event of third-party fire and theft, it will compensate that person, and also damages caused to your vehicle in the event of, or losses caused to you in the event of theft or fire. And then
that is when, as the owner of the car, you're compensated.
Yeah, but you're only compensated for losses related to theft and fire.
Okay.
Now for comprehensive, you have all those, plus now the accidental loss. So in the event of an accident, you'll also be compensated now for the comprehensive. Okay. Yeah.
All right. Now, before you continue further with, you know, just this knowledge part and just helping our viewers better understand these different forms of insurance that are there, we want to take a very quick breather, but we'll be right back to continue with this conversation. Just financial responsibility that is involved. Do stay with us. We'll be right back.